Welcome back to Kevin C Outdoors. So this morning we're down here. We're going to be doing some creek fishing. Probably going to be one of my last trips creek fishing for smallmouth bass this year. So right now the water temperature is probably in the low 50s, maybe even the high 40s. So we've been getting a lot of cool temperatures. Right now it's maybe 45, 46 degrees, but we've been getting temperatures down, believe it or not, in the 20s. So yeah, so right now I just have a simple inline spinner tied on here. So maybe we'll get on some trout. That's my plan. And if that doesn't work, I went to Dick's. I got a couple different small little 3-inch swim baits. So this right here is a craw-colored. The only times I like throwing these colors, early spring is the best time to throw these, or when the water temperature gets real cool, like it is right now. And then I also did pick up more of a natural color right here. This color is called Electric Shad. But yeah, I'm just gonna, like I said, throw around the spinner bait, and if that doesn't work, we'll switch it up to a couple different lures, and hopefully we'll get on some bass. This should be a great episode, so stay tuned. So like I said, we're going to try this little simple inline spinner. That's a Panther Martin 1/16 ounce. And if that doesn't work, we'll switch some things up here. Just have my Ultralight today, so we're going to be throwing those bass lures on this. So that should be a lot of fun. Let's see, first cast. Yeah, the high temperatures have been getting like in the 50s around me. I'm in Northeast PA. It's been cold out at nighttime. A lot of nights are down, like I said, in the 30s. 30s, and like one night we had it in the 20s. Well, that lure's gone. I guess we're going to bass lures. Alright, well that spinner didn't last very long, so show you what we got tied on here. So we got that little 3-inch Keitech swim bait. That's the craw-colored with a 1/16 ounce jig head. That's a jig head made by Mule Fishing. Time to cross the creek. Whew. Current was a little stronger than I thought. Let's try over here. There's a fish. All right. Definitely a bass. Oh, wait. Maybe not. Let me see. No, it's a trout. All right. Nice rainbow. Hit the Keitech, baby. It's a nice trout. Yeah, look at that, guys. Let me wet my hand. I'm not keeping any today. Yeah, that's a nice trout there, guys. About 13 inches, probably. You're right. Like I said, these water temperatures are getting a lot cooler. Trout are out to play. That's why I wanted to bring my Ultralight today. I had a feeling I might get on some trout. Yeah, let's go move upstream here. All right, I'm happy with that though. This is one creek I normally don't fish for trout. Definitely gonna do it this year because this year I caught a few by accident while bass fishing, so they're in here. Let's try right here. A little eddy right there maybe. One thing I need to do before the winter time is invest in a new pair of waders as well. These ones are leaking. I've repaired them a few times. What I normally will do is when they're leaking and the water gets cold like this, I usually wear water socks. I forgot them this morning. Things are just so darn expensive. For the good ones, you know. I'll show you what we switched to. This is that other 3-inch Keitech we're going to use. More natural. Give this one a shot. All right, let's see if this works any better. Like I said, there's a deep hole over there. Right by that log, maybe. Maybe not. Yeah, this looks very trouty right here. Starting to get nervous. No bass are biting. Just got that one trout. All right, guys, we're actually on another section of the creek here. We're gonna switch back to the 3-inch Keitech here. We got a fish. How about that, guys? 2.5 hours later. All right, smallies are still hitting. This is gonna give me much more confidence now. Hit that craw-colored, which I figured that would work today. Just took a little longer than I expected. Come here, buddy. They're still fighting good in this cold water. All right. We got a fish. Oh my God, he's so cold. It's freezing cold. Yeah, look at how he ate that lure too. All right. Thank you for the bite, pal. He is so cold. And it's only mid-October. Beautiful little fish. We got a fish, guys. We got a bass. That took a while. I've been fishing since 8 this morning. Right now it's 11:30. That's 3.5 hours later. Oh my God. But hopefully we'll get on some more. I figured this spot right here might have a fish because we have some current that's coming through. Very slight current, but we got one. Let's throw it back in there and get on some more. Oh, I just got bumped, guys. The drag's a little loose, I think. I got hit nice there. There he is. Came back for it. It's another bass. All right, a little smaller. Yeah, the way I'm struggling this morning, I'll take it. Another freezing cold bass here. Yeah, he bumped it the first cast and then threw it right back in there, and he had to have that Keitech. All right, beautiful little fish. We're getting on some fish. Let's throw it back there in case that wasn't the same one. Let's see. See if there's more there. There's another one. Little guy, I think, here. Fun though. Lots of fun. Oh, he just popped off. That's because I was playing with him there. There's one. Oh man, he came off too. Darn, man. It's 2 I lost. That's a good fish. That's a good fish for ultralight, guys. He's staying down too. Stay on, baby. Please stay on. Oh, that's a good fish. Feels good. Watch him be a little. Oh, is that a? No, that's a bass. For a minute, I thought it was a fall fish. Yeah, we got him, guys. All right. Definitely by far the biggest fish of the day. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Super fat. Feeding up for the winter. My God, look at how fat he is. Wow, I'm loving that one. He's definitely been caught a few times, actually. Smelt's kind of tore up on that side. Yes. Let's let him go. That is what's getting it done today. 3-inch Keitech Swimbait, craw color. Alrighty, so we're gonna end on that last fish. We had a great day down here on the creek. I was pretty skeptic when I first got down here for the first hour or so where I wasn't catching any fish. Came to this other section, and that one hole I kind of just hammered them. But yeah, if you guys are out there creek fishing and the water temperature's dropping down, definitely throw a craw color on there, like on a Swimbait or even a craw itself. and you should really have a great day on the creek. But like always, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you, and have a great day.